Hi Sagittarius, today I'm going to do general reading. May or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. If you like my content, please do like the video, guys. Then it will reach more people, and thank you so much for supporting me. If anyone needs a personal reading, I am giving my email ID in description box. You can reach out to me. Readings are chargeable. So first we will see general messages regarding your career and finances. Then we will see love messages. Sagittarius, fire sign, sun, moon, rising and Venus. Sagittarius, fire sign, sun, moon, rising and Venus. Your present energy is Knight of Wands. Under the deck we got Nine of Wands. So right now Knight of Wands energy, which is you are focusing on your you are focusing on your passion. If not, you have to, okay? But before taking any action, proper planning is very important, okay? Before taking any crucial action, you need to have a proper planning, and you need to execute that planning successfully. And because you literally want to be financially independent and you're really working hard for this for long period time, okay? So this is the time you have to put your 100%, and some of you already achieved this state. If not, you are going to be, because you don't want to dependent on anyone financially. You want to be very strong financially, and invest energy only on yourself. Focus only on yourself. Six of Wands, Five of Swords and Ace of Swords. I'm seeing big success here for lots of you. People will try to let you down, okay? People will do anything, but you're going to get this success, okay? Because it is predestined already. Ace of Swords with Six of Wands. You are going to get a big success, big victory. Nobody can stop this. Yeah, in this journey you will find the truth also regarding some people, and you will feel like sad because you trusted them blindly, but now they will show their true colors. But you will get big success, name, fame, everything. So let's see more messages. Eight of Swords. In near future, you will feel some stuck energy. So whenever you are feeling stuck, try to come out of this energy or ask for help. Ten of Swords, definitely a new beginning, a new start. And for those who are struggling right now, you are going to get success, and again you are going to get a new opportunities. Take action no matter what. Don't waste your time. Don't be stuck. Take action, do something. And King of Wands is all about passionate energy. To focus on your passion. I'm seeing a lot of growth here, to be honest. I'm seeing a lot of growth. But the only thing you have to do, don't be in this stuck energy. After getting success, enjoy it, then do your work again. So let's see what are the messages for you regarding your career and finances. Again, Eight of Swords. This message came twice, Queen of Cups and Nine of Wands. In future, you will face some obstacles in the form of health, in the form of money, or in the form of work. But you need to move forward. Stuck energy, especially, you will feel like, I don't want to do anything because I'm feeling very stuck. I'm feeling not interested, like that. So that's why you have to work on yourself. Do something. Don't sit at home. Just don't sit ideally, okay? Do something. And Queen of Cups, it's all about love yourself first, put yourself first, and a big opportunity will come to you, okay? So let's see love messages. So your person current thoughts. Your current thoughts, your person present energy and your present energy. Under the deck, 5 of wheels. So your person present energy, 7 of cups. Lots of confusion here. They are in so much confusion regarding your relationship. Their current thoughts are feelings, 10 of wands, 4 of pentacles, and 8 of cups. Literally they're feeling overburdened here. They're holding themselves back emotionally, and they're thinking about to walk away. Some of you, they already walked away. For some, your person is in some confusion regarding decision making, whether to stay in this relationship or walk away. So they, because they're feeling emotionally overburdened, maybe they have other responsibilities too. So they didn't make any decision till now. They're still wondering, or they're still in some confusion. And your present energy is 10 of swords, which means you want to have a new energy in your life, new energy within yourself. Your current thoughts, Queen of Cups, 2 of Cups, and strength. You right now focusing on yourself because you want to be emotionally stable, investing energy on yourself. And 2 of Cups, it's all about believing this is your person. You both are not on the same page because you're believing this is your soulmate. You're believing this person will do anything for you, but they are like just thinking about to walk away, or thinking about how to handle this relationship, feeling exhausted. Definitely I'm seeing some restlessness in your person's thoughts or behavior. You both are not mirroring each other right now. And some of you are dealing with Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, a lot of water energies here. Then some of you are dealing with the Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, especially Leo. Definitely some missing energies here. You both are not in contact. So let's see. If you are in contact, then also you both are feeling lonely. So let's see your person next action. Knight of Cups, 6 of Swords, 9 of Pentacles, and Knight of Pentacles. I think for those, your person already walked away, they're coming back for second chance. I'm already saying that definitely they really want to fix things with you. They know they did a mistake, now they're coming back. For those who are in relationship but your person is still thinking about to walk away, they will not going anywhere because they will realize. Okay, that's why they are in some confusion. But here the good news is they will just realize their thoughts, but some space, they need some space to get clarity. And lots of you are dealing with Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, lot of air energies here. So let's see what is the near future outcome of this relationship and where this relationship is headed on. The Star, some of you are dealing with Aquarius, Gemini, air sign, Queen of Swords, and 7 of Wands. You both have lots of passion, and I'm seeing the Star is all about positive thinking, and logically both are thinking healing energy and Judgment, and the Sun. Definitely both will heal during this period, and you both will make some important decision, and it will be a good decision here. So it's up to you to give second chance to this person or not, but they are coming back here. Some of you are dealing with Leo, strong Leo energies here. So let's see what are the messages for you regarding this relationship or situation. The Sun. You are attracting a lot of abundance, happiness into your life. And a wish fulfillment card, your major wishes are going to be fulfilled. And again, focus on your passion, but proper planning is very, very important. So let's see energy oracle messages. Have faith in your dreams. So if you're dreaming about something big, first you have to have faith and believe in yourself. You and your loved ones are safe. New moon in Cancer. So for those who are living in different cities, states, or you living in one city, your loved ones living in another country, whatever, but the message here is you safe, at the same time your loved ones also safe. A new romantic cycle begins. For those who are in relationship, a new romantic cycle is going to be begin. Caring connections. For those who have disturbances in your connections, very soon those issues will go away. Indecision. Some of you right now, you're at some crossroads regarding some area of your life, regarding decision making. So take your own time, then make your decision. Action. So if you want to take action towards something, but you are hesitating right now, the message here is take action. It's a green signal to take action. So let's see romantic love messages. New love. A new person has stirred your romantic feelings. For some, a new romantic person is going to enter in your life soon. Healing family issues. Your love life benefits as you forgive your parents. So, if you have any issues with your parents, forgive them because it will help you and it will benefit you in one way or another way. Stay optimistic about your love life. Positive thinking and faith will bring you romance. So, always think positive about your person and about your relationship because it will help you bring you together. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. If anyone needs a personal reading, I am giving my email ID in description box. You can reach out to me and readings are chargeable. Thank you so much.